Fuji, established in 1959 in Nagoya City, moved their headquarters to Chiyu in 1961. From 3 offices in the Aichi Prefecture, Fuji conducts worldwide operations in surface mount technology and machine tools. Fuji globally leads the way as a result of their continuous dedication to research and development. Indispensable technology such as cell phones, personal computers, and digital cameras are circuit board assembled utilizing Fuji SMT equipment. Fuji surface mount technology machines are recognized the world over for speed, accuracy, and cost performance. Fuji continues to excel in the competing industry by constantly improving equipment. The most recent NXT series of equipment was created by applying new technology over the previous models. As a result, over 21,000 have been sold since 2003. Fuji manufactures automated lathes in the Fujioka facility. Highly regarded in both the automotive and bearing industry, Fuji's customers appreciate the accuracy, rigidity, and reliability required for their manufacturing. Fuji has been recognized as a leader in these segments, delivering over 100 machines annually to the automotive industry. Fuji's advanced development engineering pushes the limits of the newest digital engineering, preparing a system that can be brought to the market quickly. The new Fuji TN300 is a result of this latest technology. Rigidity, accuracy, and heat displacement have been markedly improved from the previous model. The TN300 is an evolution in design, derived from the knowledge and data of the previous model, and applying new advanced digital engineering, an improved machine is delivered to the market. Fuji's goal is to bring the highest quality machine to the market. To accomplish this, Fuji takes a different approach than that of their competitors. Fuji makes all critical parts of the machine in-house, guaranteeing their accuracy. TN300 CNC lathe, ANW 3500 twin spindle automated lathe, ANS 320 TTS twin turret automated lathe, FS4 3100 bearing cell, VTP 1000 1 meter submicron lathe, HM 3000 milling cell. Automotive suppliers demand engineering solution for their products. Fuji engineers developed the process, implementing work holding, tooling, and automation to deliver a guaranteed process and cycle time. Various tool monitoring options developed by Fuji are also available. Engineered solutions are what Fuji customers demand. Processes are delivered to their facilities and set up to ensure a guaranteed process. Fuji is truly a global company with sales and service in Japan, USA, Brazil, Europe, Russia, and India. Fuji realizes the need to reduce the impact on the environment. Fuji's new factory at Fujioka opened in 2008 and is the newest factory to employ eco-friendly design. Heating and cooling is accomplished with reduced energy by placing the heating and cooling tubes underground. Fuji also advocates decreasing environmental emissions by proposing machines that eliminate grinding. By utilizing hard-turning machines, hazardous waste is eliminated. Fuji, dedicated to continuous improvement.